Giuliani More styled her anti-jeans with this genius white alternative. This is the combo of the season. Key points. Number one, Giuliani More has been making her media rounds for various upcoming projects. Number two, for her latest outing in London, she wore this season's anti-jeans as well as the perfect white tee alternative. Number three, her grey t-shirt is easygoing and nonchalant, that leans more refined than a basic one tee. I think I have become a staunch anti-jeans person. Don't get me wrong, I think blue jeans are great and they are especially ideal come fall and winter. But there is something about denim in the summertime that I cannot get behind. So anti-jeans Akka trousers in this case are my current obsession, especially when worn in the way Giuliani More just did. Hint with a no-brainer summer staple that is replacing your basic white tee this season. Giuliani More has been making her press rounds thanks to her Netflix series Sirens as well as her latest series Project Eco Valley, and more outings also means more Giuliani More outfits, and while her latest look could totally be worked into Michaela's wardrobe, for those who don't know, that is Giuliani More's Sirens character. It is decidedly more low-key in nature. She wore low-rise baggy trousers, the anti-jeans of 2025, which she paired with the unfuzzy top worth snagging and comfy grey tee that should be in your cart ASAP. Don't get me wrong, I love a classic white tee, especially when paired with trousers, but I think Giuliani More just unlocked the newest pants and top combo: trousers with a grey tee. TBH, I think a grey tee leans a bit more refined than a simple white one. Though it does not lose its inherent nonchalance either, which is part of the reason you probably reach for that white tee, right? Not to mention there is not the risk of it being see-through or prone to stains, but it is still low-key and most importantly comfortable. Giuliani More's outfit was the definition of comfy, especially since she paired billowy trousers with a soft cotton tee, but she added the perfect dressed up element to keep it from looking too casual for her outing. Pointed to heels, a gold chain necklace, and cat eye sunglasses. So next time you reach for your simple white tee, don't go for its slightly darker counterpart. Instead, to achieve that same ease of wear with a more refined vibe, shop some classic grey tees below, as well as a few anti-jeans I am eyeing for summer. Get the look. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.